Okay, I'm gonna talk about 8th grade math. This is called 1.1 lesson. Just make up for I just call 1.1. The question is, what is the value of 3 open parenthesis x squared minus 4x close parenthesis when x equal to 5? This is asking if x is 5, what is this term? So 3 goes here, plug where you see x for 5, put 5 there, square it because the x half here is square. So 5 square minus 4 times the x is 5 times x minus 4 times x. So now you have to work inside parentheses, inside, right? So what are we gonna get? We're gonna get 5 square equal to 25 minus 4 times 5, 20. And then you close the parentheses. Now again, still you have to work inside order of operation. So we got 25 minus 20, we got 5. Now we can multiply the 3. 3 times 5 equal to 15. So one at a time, plug in 5 where you see x. Here supposed to be x, we replace it to 5. Here supposed to be x, we replace it to a 5. Now we have to work inside, then the big inside. So inside here, 5 square and 4 times 5 is 20. 5 square 25. Now we have to subtract and we get 5. Finally we multiply. This is the pre-algebra order operation. You can just start multiplying this like distribution and then multiply here. Now inside first, inside exponent. Once you done inside, we get 5, right, at the end. Then we can multiply whatever number we have outside. Then we get 15. Okay, second question is a little bit different. It says like it was asking like if x equal to 2 and t equal to 4, x equal to 2 and t equal to 4, what is the value of this? What is the value of this term, right? 1 over 8 open parenthesis x cubed minus 4 close parenthesis, and then another open parenthesis t squared plus 8 close parenthesis equal to what? So now we have to again replace where we see x for 2, replace where you see a t for 4. So and 1 is here, 1 times anything, nothing change, is identity. We talk 6th grade, it's identity. My previous video shows anytime you multiply 1 for anything you get the same. In algebra it calls identity. So 1 times all this is equal to all this. So all this over 8, that's what you're gonna do, right? But at the same time you can replace x to 2, right? So 2 raised power of 3 minus 4 x cubed 2 to the power of 3, right? Because this become 2 and the power of 3 there minus 4 right there, and then open another parenthesis, you replace to the t for 4 square plus 8. This is how it goes. Now 2 to the power of 3 is what? 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, right? 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 8, what we got? 24, right? So we have here 4 and we have here 24 all over 8, right? So now 4 times 24, what are we gonna get? 4 times 24 is 96. and we have to divide this 8, right? So divided 8, what are we gonna get? So 8 divided 96 divided 8, what are we gonna get? 12, right? 12 times 8 is 96. 96 minus 96 is 0. So we get 12. This is the final answer. So what is this saying is when x equal to 5, this term become 15. This is equal 15. When x equal to 2 and t equal to 4, this equation equal to 12. This is a 8th grade pre-algebra